Is it in focus? Can you see it? Focus, 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 focus. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting ready for a couples barbecue, I suppose. And we're going to be getting ready. I'm going to be getting ready. I mean, you can get ready too, but I don't know what you're getting ready for. So more importantly, I'm going to be trying on what's in these packages. I've never actually gotten one this small. They usually come in a box like this if they're small, or a bigger box if I buy more. But we're going to be playing with these today while I get ready. I'm excited. So let's do it. How do you open this? Pull tab. It says pull tab. Okay. Very not helpful. Oh. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! I'm angry. It's like the inside of a pillow. It just exploded all over me. Oh. I've never come across a package that does that. I just wanted to open and show you the products we're working with today before that mishap happened. It's from the Wild Nothing collection. I ordered it. It took a little bit to get here, but not too bad. But look how cute this is. Sun's out, buns out. Colourpop. And then these. Oh my gosh. I wanted these the mostest probably. These are the Cactus Blossoms. It's a Luxe Lip Oil set. So here we have the box. Okay. Colourpop. Nothing's gonna explode. Hopefully. Alright, so we have the Super Shock Cheek. This has been on my want list, and this one is in the shade Holiday. Really cute, actually. I may try that today. And funny thing, when you bought that, you actually got the cute little blender for free. So, I mean, it was on my want list anyway. Might as well. Next, ooh, I got this blush. Oh, I'm gonna actually use this one today. Yes, On the Horizon, I believe the sticker says. I should show you. This is how cute the packaging is. I mean, maybe it's just me living in the desert, but I don't get a lot of nice representation of the desert like I would prefer. It's not just some barren, deserted, whatever. This is what it reminds me of. This feels like home. So I figured you're gonna try it. Oh, and this, look at how cute this is. Look. And this is the On the Horizon. Oh my gosh. Let me show you this color. Look at how beautiful and pink. And you have like that, I don't know how to say it. It's like gold flecks in there. Kind of like back in the Western days when they'd come and they'd pan for gold out here. That is what it reminds me of. Beautiful. Beautiful. Plus, I've never tried a pressed powder from Colourpop. This is my first. Hopefully this goes well. We'll see. We will see. Next. Oh, we shoved it in there, huh? Oh, another Sun's Out, Buns Out. Cute. That was it for this box. But this, I got this just because it's like, you gotta. Wild Nothing. Isn't that cute? I think that is absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look inside. How you open? From the top. Durr. Okay. I know I should be putting on like the rest of my face, but hold on. Look how cute that is. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Oh, I did that. Look at how adorable these colors are. That is so nice. Sorry about this one. I may have just poked it, but these are cute. These are going on my eye today. Like we didn't already know that. Yes. Let me zoom you in real quick so you can join me on this face journey we're about to go on. Okay. I'm going to come in with my Makeup Revolution matte primer. I have been loving this little thing. This is like a fantastic dupe to the Smashbox Photo Focus Finish Primer. Anywho, going on my face. That's what it looks like. I'm going to come in real quick, set my primer with my I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray in Peaches and Cream. I love this because it smells like those little squeezy Kool-Aids you got when you were little, and it makes you like kind of sticky if you don't let it set too long, which is what I'm going to do. To try and keep with this theme, we're going to go with my Colourpop foundation, and it is in the shade Light 75? Light 75, which is actually a little too dark for me. So I'm hoping a lot of my powders are gonna chip in today. Spongy. And this is a Colourpop sponge I'm gonna use today as well. Normally I use my Studio AOA, but Colourpop. Wait. I tried. I'm gonna come in with my CoverGirl What Are You True Blend Concealer. Boom, boom. Get in here with some setting powder. Get my pink. I love this. I love this palette because it smells like chocolate. No matter what color you use, it's chocolate. This is the Tarte Park Ave Princess Chisel palette, and it has all my good colors in it. I use this often. So we're gonna come in and cut out a little face here. Next, we're going to come in with this little baby from Colourpop. How cute. Pressed cheek powder. I mean, like, I kind of don't want to use it just because it's so pretty, but at the same time, I want to use it because it's so pretty. See, look at that. I'm weird. I know. Whatevs. Lens. Okay, get rid of this. Oh. Hi. That's beautiful. Okay, okay. A damn Colourpop. Oh, that is nice. This brush is a little bit too dense, but this color is beautiful. Look at that. 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 Thank you, Colourpop. This is like meant for me. This is comparable to my KKW Beauty. Next, I'm going to come in with my Colourpop Wild Nothings palette. Look at how beautiful these colors are. They just shine. I want to use this one. I probably should have used it sooner, but I want to try it now. Just to mix it in here. Yeah. That's lovely. I can't deny it. You can't deny it. I can't deny it. That's lovely. Look at that. All because of this. I already have some mascara on because I went out earlier today, but let me put on some of my CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored Mascara in the shade Black. This looks lovely. I really have to say, this is good. Now we're going to come in with the Cactus Blossoms Luxe Lip Oil Set. I think they're adorable looking. Look at this packaging! Okay, so from one side to the other, we have Dewdrop, Skinny Dip. Let me put these. Ah! Shot. Dewdrop. Dewdrop Skinny Dip. Playa Vista. Hot Shot. Bang, 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 yeah. Okay. Alright, so from one side to the other we have Dewdrop, Skinny Dip, Playa Vista, Hot Shot, Bingo. Bingo? Bingo. Bingo. It tells you everything right here. Like I memorized them. Oh. Oh, beautiful. That's cute. What are we gonna go with? Too dark. Maybe. Oh, that's nice. I also want to see how they smell. I'm weird, I know. Sir. Okay, so for right now, I'm going to come in with Skinny Dip. Very cute. Has your typical applicator. Nothing fancy about it, but this is a new formula from Colourpop because it's a lip oil. Oh. Okay. So, this feels nice, but it doesn't go with this look. I'm gonna wipe it off and we're gonna try another one. I'm gonna go with the other one I wanted. This is the Hot Shot. Wow. I just have to say this feels really good and it smells pretty nice. It smells like baked bread, like sweet bread or something. It's actually really nice. Yeah, I like this a whole lot. I'm gonna take you with me actually to dinner. It's a barbecue, so you know I'm gonna be reapplying it anyway, but this is really nice. Do you see this? Do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see this? This. I like it a lot. This is responsible for this. And I really like it. This is really cute. This is my, like, this is an everyday palette. You have all these different colors. You don't need to go like this. You can do 2, 3, 4 colors if you wanted to. And it would work because the color scheme is just there. But I'm really into neutrals too. So this is very nice. I was debating on getting the, God, what was it? It was like a giant neutral palette or nude palette from Colourpop, but now I don't think I have to. I'm always gonna want it, but I'm not gonna have to because I have that. That is the look for today. I'm probably gonna leave my hair down, but oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Are you looking at this? Are you looking at me? Because I'm looking at me and I'm looking at, you're looking at me, and this is great. I like this. Thank you, Colourpop, for creating this Wild Nothings palette. I'm going to be using this quite often. There's nothing I don't like. I like the lips. I like the blush. I like the eyes. It's so pretty. Thanks for hanging out with me while I got ready. Let me know in the comments if you actually tried out the Colourpop Wild Nothings collection or any other Colourpop collections. Which ones are your favorite? I've done a few now, and I don't think I'm going to be stopping anytime soon, which probably makes my credit card really sad, but it makes me really happy. Yeah. Anyhoozle, don't forget we do this every Thursday, Sunday. I will catch you back here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye.